Exercise 1.3, problems 9 and 10 from the chapter Relations and Functions. Let's do it out.
Hi everyone. Today we are going to see 10th standard state board syllabus Relations and Functions exercise 1.3 problems 9 and 10. The ninth problem is a plane is flying at a speed of 500 km per hour. Express the distance d traveled by plane as a function of time t in hours. Okay? First, what we know? The speed of the plane. Okay, what is the speed of the plane? 500 km per hour. Very good. Now, we have to express in the distance d and time is t hours. The distance is d. Okay, we have to express it as a function of t. Okay? We all know the formula of speed, isn't it? Yes, speed is equal to distance traveled by time taken. Okay? I hope all of you know. If you don't know, just note it down. Speed is equal to distance traveled by time taken. Now we know what is speed. What is speed? Yes, it's 500 km per hour. The distance is d and time is t. So we have to write distance as a function of t, isn't it? So we are going to take t to the other side. So d is equal to 500t. So we have written the distance traveled d as a function of time, isn't it? That is d is equal to 500t. Clear? Okay. Now the 10th question is, the data in the table depicts the length of woman's forehand, that is x centimeter, and her corresponding height, that is y inches. Find the relationship between the height and forehand length, that is y is equal to ax plus b. The first question is, we have to check if the relation is a function or not. Here the length of the forehand given, that is x in centimeter, is the domain. Okay, it is the domain. Now the height is there, height, corresponding height is also given. Okay, now what relation is given between y and x? Yes, y is equal to ax plus b, and we have to check whether this relation is a function or not. Okay, first let us write the ordered pairs x comma y. What is the first x? 35, and the corresponding y is 56. Therefore 35 comma 56. Now come on, let's say the second pair 45 comma 65. Very good. Next one is 50 comma 69.5, and the last pair is 55 comma 74. Now these are the ordered pairs from the given table. Okay, now I can clearly say you that the length of the forehand x is the domain and the height in inches is the range. Okay, now we can clearly see that every element in the domain, that is 35, 45, 50, 55, has an image in the range, image in the codomain. So 35 has an 56 as an image, 45 has 65 as an image, so 50 has an image, 55 has an image. So each element have an image in the range. So this relation is a function. Clear? Now let's go to the second part. We have to find a and b. For that I have taken two ordered pairs, 35 comma 56 and 45 comma 65. 35 comma 56 is x and y. 45 comma 65 is an x and y. Okay, it is in the table. Okay, now let me take the relation. What is the relation here? Y is equal to ax plus b. Now I am substituting the second ordered pair because it is a bigger one, right? So in the place of y I am writing 65 and x is in the place 45. So 65 is equal to a into 45 plus b. Now I am substituting the second ordered pair. 56 is equal to 35a plus b. Now subtracting two equations we get b minus b 0, 45a minus 35a 10, 65 minus 56 9. So 10a equal to 9. So a is equal to 9 by 10, which is equal to 0.9. Clear? I have substituted the two ordered pairs in the relation y is equal to ax plus b and subtracted that. Now to find b, we have a and x and y. So I am taking the first equation, 65 is equal to 45a plus b. In the place of A, I am writing 0.9. So we got 65 is equal to 0.9 into 45 is 40.4 plus B. 40.5 plus B. So B is equal to 65 minus 40.5 because the 40.5 goes to the next side. So finally on subtracting we got B is equal to 24.5. Okay. So now the relation is y is equal to ax plus b, isn't it? So I am substituting the values of a and b in this relation. So y is equal to 0.9 ax plus what is b? 24.5. Clear? Now to find that I have taken the two ordered pairs. Found on substituting the ordered pairs in y, I have found two equation. Then subtracting that I got a. And in the equation I have substituted the A and found B. Clear? Now let's move to the third question. Here a free hand length is given as 48 cm and we have to find the height of that woman. 48 cm is not given in the table and we have to find that. Okay? Now y is equal to ax plus b. We have already found a and b and the free hand length is x because it's given in the table. So x is equal to 48 cm. So we know three values. So it's easy for us to find y. So y is equal to ax plus b. A is equal to 0.9. So a into what is x? 48 cm because free forehand length is given as 48 cm plus what is b? 24.5. So y is equal to 0.9 into 48 plus 24.5. So what is 0.9 into 48? 43.2. So y is equal to 43.2 plus 24.5, that is equal to 67.7. This is the height of the woman whose forehand length is 48 centimeter. So we have to write height of the woman is 67.7 inches because it is given in the table. That is the unit of height is inches. So in the question we know the forehand length, that is x is 48 centimeter. We have already know a and b. So we have substituted the three values in y and we have derived the value of y. Clear? Now let's go to the fourth question. We have to find the length of the forehand of a woman whose height is given. So height is 60.54. So what is height? Y, isn't it? So y is given and we have to find x. We already know a and b. So it's very simple. First let's take the relation. Y is equal to ax plus b. What is y? 60.54. Okay, what is a? 0.9. X we have to find. Plus what is b? 24.5. Okay. Now we have to take 24.5 into the next side. So 0.9x is equal to 60.54 minus 24.5 because the sign changes when we change the side. Okay. Now on subtracting we get 36.04. So 0.9x is equal to 36.04. So what is x? X is equal to 36.04 divided by 0.9. That is 40.04. Okay. So x is equal to 40.04. Sorry, it's 40.44. I have written it wrongly. So 40.44 centimeter. So we have y, we have a and b, and in this relation we have substituted three values and got x. Clear? Okay. With this, exercise 1.3 is over. Okay. And we can see the 1.4 exercise in the next video. Whenever you get free time, please practice maths. I have given the playlist for these videos in the description box. Okay. Meet you all in the next video. Till then, signing off, Parvina Ramesh. Bye-bye.
Subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like. If you have any doubts, comment down. Signing off, yeah.